I was in B&M the other day and I spotted they had these mesh fire pits, and it's only £8. They're about £14 on Amazon, and some places sell them for as high as £30 or £40. So I thought we'd take a look and see if it's a bargain or a cheap rip-off. Comes in this small, quite cheap feeling bag. Feels like it's made of polyester or something. Quite a flimsy looking little zip as well. It's got a small instruction manual. Also got 4 retaining clips. Would say these joins for the legs are a very snug fit. So if that was to be bent in any way, it would be quite difficult to get these in, so you would have to use a tent peg or a multi-tool or something to bend that back in place. It feels quite sturdy though. Once they're in, they're not loose at all. The retaining clips just push together. That's it. The instructions say that the legs and the mesh are stainless steel, which is good. The legs on it actually spread quite wide, and once they're spread, it's a really stable platform to build a small fire on to get it up off the ground. I would say, just as a first look, this little stainless steel mesh fire pit from B&M seems to be something of a bargain. It doesn't feel any poorer quality than the more expensive ones that I've seen. It's quite lightweight, very easy to assemble, and the materials are identical to the more expensive ones. So yeah, if they're still around, B&M in the UK are selling these at the moment pretty cheap. Pick yourself up one.